Here's out the back of the train. Turn around. Now, here we go. Train 101. Here are rooms. Whoa. Rooms. Okay. We're gonna go up here. Here is my room. Here is Mom's room. Now we're gonna go here. We're going to turn. We're gonna go up this hallway. These are larger rooms here on the right. And out the window, it's getting nighttime. Right in front of us, that is a shower. And I'm gonna actually do this tomorrow. Not too bad. It's kind of big. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm all up in that. Okay. Now we're going here. Here's kind of an open area where you can sit. And then here is a kind of a public bathroom. It's a little bit bigger. I kind of dig it. And then we go between cars where it is cold and it is snowy. But look out the window. Look out the window. Okay. Those were little small roomettes. This is another car just like ours. Now we're going to go through the diner car. Oh, look at this. Here's more snow. And look, they store their ice out here. Of course, because it's really cold. Here's the dining car.
What? Are you serious? I didn't know that.
Hi.